Hello students, I hope you are all doing good. Shall we continue this continuity of function? Shall we continue this chapter 7? Continuity of functions. Continuity of functions, very few problems I did in the previous video. In this video, we will do the type 2. What is type 1 then? Type 1 is discuss the continuity. Show that the function is continuous. This is type 1. Type 2 is find k so that the function is continuous at x equal to 2. That is type 2. Okay. Before going to type 2, we will do some type 1 problem. First question. Examine whether the function f of x equal to sin 2x by x, then 1. Sin 2x by x when x not equal to 0, here when x equal to 0. Correct? Examine whether the function f of x equal to sin 2x by x, x not equal to 0, 1, x equal to 0 is continuous or not at x equal to 0. Is continuous or not? At x equal to 0, no need to give. Because x not equal to 0, x equal to 0 means what? At x equal to 0 only you can find the continuity function, right? So LHL, RHL. LHL, RHL the same function, right? F of 0, 1. So what we know already, f of 0 is 1. Yeah. What we know, f of 0 equal to 1. That is f of a is 1. Now I need to get LHL. LHL, RHL, one are the same. So we do LHL as well as RHL. Same. Both are same. Limit x tends to 0 minus sin 2x by x. Limit x tends to 0, sin 2x by 2x is what? 1. So multiply and divide by 2. What is this? 1. So the answer is 2. Correct? LHL, what about RHL? The same answer 2. So LHL equal to RHL equal to 2, but f of 0 is 1. Correct? So how will you write? LHL equal to RHL, which is not equal to f of 0. Correct? Yes, LHL RHL is what? 2. But this is not equal to f of 0 is what? 1. Yes or no? Therefore, the function is discontinuous. The function is discontinuous at x equal to 0. Do you understand? It is enough to write only this line, children. 2 not equal for your understanding. Okay? LHL equal to RHL, both are same. What the value? 2. But it is not equal to f of a. F of 0 is 1. So it is discontinuous at x equal to 0. Do you understand? Yes. Shall we do the same type of question one more? Yeah. Discuss the point of continuity for the function f of x equal to. The question is sin x by x. This is x plus 1. If x less than 0, this is x greater than or equal to 0. That means two different functions. And then for LHL, which function to be taken? Sin x by x. So limit x tends to 0, sin x by x. What is the value? 1. What's the value? 1. Right. For x greater than 0, which function to be taken? For RHL. Limit x tends to 0. For RHL, x plus 1. X plus 1. So if you substitute x equal to 0, 1. LHL equal to RHL. What is f of 0? What is f of 0? What is f of 0? 0 plus 1. Again 1. So LHL equal to RHL equal to f of 0. What do we conclude? LHL equal to RHL equal to f of 0. Therefore, the function is what? F is continuous. What do we conclude? Therefore, the function f is continuous at x equal to 0. That's all. Do you understand, children? Yes. Okay. Okay. Now we'll find the unknown. Okay, we'll find the unknown using this continuity idea. For what value of k? The function f of x equal to 2x plus 1, k 3x minus 1, x less than 2, x equal to 2, x greater than 2 is continuous at x equal to 2. For what value of k? The function is continuous at x equal to 2. For what value of k? The function is continuous at x equal to 2. Okay. What is LHL? Limit x tends to 2 minus this function, isn't it? 2x plus 1. Substitute directly 2. 2 minus is the symbolic for LHL. Actually, the question is x tends to 2. 4 plus 1, 5. For RHL, limit x tends to 2 plus. Which function to be taken? 3x minus 1. 3 into 2, 6 minus 1, 5. Correct? LHL equal to RHL. Both are equal to 5. Someone is saying the answer. Yes, exactly right. You are right. Then at x equal to 2, f of 2 should be 5. Therefore k equal to 5. That's all, children. Excellent. You people are always excellent, children. Okay. So we'll conclude. So LHL equal to RHL equal to f of 2. What is f of 2? Is k. So k must be 5. Correct. Only then the function is continuous. But the question is, find k so that the function is continuous. Function is continuous given. You need to get 5. K must be 5. Only then the question is correct, continuous. Am I right? So k equal to 5. Do you understand? Right. Then the next question is, f of x equal to 3ax plus b. What is this? A. 3ax plus b. Then 11. Then 5ax minus 2b. If x greater than 1, x equal to 1, x less than 1 is continuous at x equal to 1. Find a and b. The previous question only one unknown, k. Here two unknown. What are they? A and b. Okay, greater than 1, 3ax plus b for RHL. Less than 1, 5ax minus 2b. Then f of 1, the value is given 11. Okay? Right. So what will you write for LHL? Limit x tends to 1 minus, isn't it? 1 minus. 1 minus means 5ax minus 2b. 1 minus is what? Symbolic for LHL. Actually, you have to substitute x tends to 1. Substitute 1. You will get 5a minus 2b. Yes or no? 5a minus 2b. Right. What is my RHL? Limit x tends to 1 plus greater than 1. That is 3ax plus b. If you substitute x equal to 1, what will you get? 3a plus b. Correct. 3a plus b. LHL at x equal to 1, RHL at x equal to 1. What is f of 1? 11 is given. Therefore, LHL equal to RHL equal to f of 1 which is equal to 11. All the answers will be 11, isn't it? That means 5a minus 2b is 11. 3a plus b also 11. Correct? Each one is equal to one another. That means what? LHL equal to 11, RHL equal to 11. You understand, class? 3a plus b equal to 11. 5a minus 2b equal to 11. If you solve simultaneous linear equation, you will get a equal to 3, b equal to 2. That's all. A equal to 3, b equal to 2. Do you understand? Actually, when compared to type 1, type 2 is very simple. Yes? Yes. Yes. Find the value of A and B. Next question. Find the value of A and B so that the function is continuous. What is the function? F of x equal to, simple, very simple, 5 ax plus b, then 21. X less than or equal to 2, 2 less than x less than 10, then x greater than or equal to 10. Do you understand? The function is continuous. At x equal to 2, at x equal to 10, nothing is given. In the question, find the AB so that the function is continuous, such that the function f of x equal to 5. That's all the question given. You have to check less than or equal to 2, greater than 2. That means what? You can check for x equal to 2. Yes or no? Then less than 10, greater than or equal to 10. So you can check for the continuity for x equal to 2 as well as x equal to 10. Both the sides less than 10, greater than or equal to 10. Am I right? Here less than or equal to 2, x is greater than 2. So both I can check. Only then I can find A and B. Okay, because both the values are given number. Okay, fine. At x equal to 2, first we find that x equal to 2. X equal to 2. My LHL. Limit x tends to 2 minus. 2 minus less than 2. Less than 2 is less than 2. Less than 2 is 5. So the answer is 5. Over. RHL. Limit x tends to 2 plus. X greater than 2. How will you read? The crocodile mouth is towards x. So greater than 2. So it is ax plus b. Ax plus b, which is equal to 2. X equal to 2 substitute. 2a plus b. Am I right? 2a plus b. What is f of 2? My third point. F of 2 also 5. Equal to 2. F of 2 also 5. Yes? What is my f of 2? I will write on the top. F of 2 also 5. So LHL equal to RHL equal to f of 2. Therefore 2a plus b equal to 5. Correct? Correct? 2a plus b equal to 5. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 1. Now at x equal to 10. At x equal to 10. Continuity you have to check. Correct? At x equal to 10, continuity I have to check. Okay. What is f of 10? Equal to 10, 21. Yes. Now find out LHL. Limit x tends to 10 minus. 10 minus is less than 10. Less than 10 is ax plus b. Isn't it? Ax plus b. That is 10a plus b. Yes. What is my RHL? RHL is limit x tends to 10 plus. 10 plus is greater than 21. So the answer is 21. Constant function. The answer is 21. So LHL equal to RHL equal to f of 10, which is equal to 21. That means what? 10a plus b equal to 21. This is equation number 2. 10a plus b equal to 21. Equation number 2. Solving 1 and 2. Can you say what is the first equation? What is the first equation? Someone is saying, correct. 2a plus b equal to 5. Second equation already I have in my board. 10a plus b equal to 21. If you solve a and b, you will get a equal to 2, b equal to 1. Check your answer. A equal to 2, b equal to 1. Yes? Yes. We'll do one more. Type 2. Very easy, isn't it? Very easy. Find k so that the function is continuous at x equal to 0. Find k so that the function is continuous at x equal to 0. Class, when x less than 0, 1 minus cos 4x by x square. When x is equal to 0, k. When x is greater than 0, what is the function? Root x by root 16 plus root x minus 4. Root x minus 4. Do you understand? Okay. So what is f of 0? F of 0 is k. Right. So I need to get only LHL and RHL. LHL, RHL, we will find out. Okay, for first LHL. LHL, limit x tends to 0 minus, which function? 1 minus cos 4x by x square. Why I am writing minus? To say it is LHL. Okay. Now if you substitute x tends to 0, cos 0, 1, 1 minus 1, 0. 0 by 0, undefined. This is 0 by 0 form. Correct? So what I have to do? I have to apply L'Hospital rule. Limit x tends to 0. Denominator 2x. Numerator 1 if you differentiate 0. Cos 4x if you differentiate. Minus 4x into 4. Already one minus. So it is sin 4x into 4. Am I right? That is minus. Already there. Cos 4x is minus sin 4x. Then into 4. So you will get minus or minus plus sin 4x into 4. Right. Limit x tends to 0. Sin 4x by 4, what will you get? Sin 4x by 4x 1. So I need to get into 2 into 2. Do you understand? What is this? Sin 4x by 4x 1. So the answer is 8. So my LHL is 8. Therefore A equal to 8. Correct. But you have to say RHL also. RHL value also 8 to be proved. Okay. You can't conclude only with LHL because the condition is LHL must be equal to RHL, which is equal to f of a. So LHL RHL you have to say it is 8, then only you can connect with the k. What is my RHL? Limit RHL. Limit x tends to 0 plus. The function is root x by root 16 plus root x minus 4 separate. Yes, very simple. Okay. Now, if you do direct substitution, root 0, 0, root 14, root 16, 4, minus 4 get cancelled, 0 by 0 form. Yes? Then, multiply with the, oh yeah. Listen. Children, I made a mistake. That is, here what is root of 16 plus root x. This root is extended. Change the question, okay? Shall I repeat the question once again? What is the function? F of x equal to 1 minus cos 4x by x square. This is correct. This is k I told. This is also correct. This is root x by root of 16 plus root x. Then minus 4 alone separate. Root of 16 plus root x minus 4. Okay, this is x less than 0, x equal to 0, x greater than 0. So the question is root of 16 plus root x minus 4 alone, not the root. Do you understand the function now? The function? Okay. Now, anyhow, here only the starting trouble. Okay. RHL is root x plus root of 16 plus root x minus 4. Okay, even though if you substitute x tends to 0, 0, root 16, 4, 4 minus 4, 0, 0 by 0 form. Correct? 0 by 0 form. Now, you can do the differentiation, numerator separately, denominator separately. Okay, fine. Numerator and denominator, if you do the differentiation, you will get the answer 8. You know the answer, right? Now, since I have root, I am doing by 11th standard method, multiply with the conjugate. Root of 16 plus root x plus 4 by root of 16 plus root x plus 4. Okay, this is very easy, children. When you do limit, when you have the root, using multiply with the conjugate, you will get the answer. That's why I am applying this. Okay, instead of differentiation. Differentiation also quite simple. So here root x, what is there? Root of 16 plus root x. Then plus 4 separate. Here, this is a minus b. This is a plus b. Correct? A plus b. This is a minus b. What will you get? A square minus b square. So, root of 16 plus root x the whole square minus 16. 4 square. One more step I will write. This root and square will get cancelled. So, what is left? Root x. Root of 16 plus root x plus 4. This is numerator. Denominator 16 plus root x minus 16. Plus 16 minus 16 cancel. Root x cancel. So what is left over here? Root of 16 plus root x plus 4 alone is left. Correct? If you substitute x tends to 0, root 16. Root 16 is 4 plus 4, 8. Therefore, LHL equal to RHL equal to 8. Therefore, K must be 8. You understand? LHL equal to RHL, which is equal to 8. Therefore, K equal to 8. We'll do one more of same type. Find the value of k for which the function f of x equal to 1 minus cos 4x by 8x square. X not equal to 0. Then k x equal to 0 is continuous at x equal to 0. The function is continuous. You have to find the value of k. X not equal to 0. What's the meaning? For LHL, RHL, same function. Okay. What is LHL? Limit x tends to 0 minus 1 minus cos 4x by 8x square. If you substitute 0 by 0 form, cos 0, 0. Sorry, cos 0, 1. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 by 0 form. So, limit x tends to 0. Differentiate. 1 if you differentiate 0. Minus cos 4x minus sin 4x into 4 by 16x. Am I right? 16x. I'll write once again. So my LHL is limit x tends to 0, minus of minus plus. So sin 4x into 4 by 16x. This 16 I am splitting as 4 into 4. So what is this? 1. 4 get cancelled. So the answer is 1. So LHL equal to RHL equal to 1. Therefore f of 0 also 1 implies k equal to 1. Yes? Yes, f of 0 is also 1, which is equal to k equal to 1. Children, This is important step. Please write. Yes. Next. Find k for which f of x equal to k cos x. K is attached anywhere, isn't it? Pi minus 2x. Then 3. X not equal to pi by 2. X equal to pi by 2. X equal to pi by 2. K cos x by pi minus 2x. 3 x e not equal to pi by 2. X equal to pi by 2. Find k for which the function is continuous. Or they may say continuous at x equal to pi by 2. Okay. So what is f of pi by 2? Please write, children. This is important step. F of pi by 2 is 3. So I need to get LHL, RHL. Both are same. One time if you do enough. LHL, RHL same answer. LHL equal to 3. Then K. That's all. F of pi by 2 equal to 3 you should write. Okay. Now we start LHL. No need to repeat RHL because same function only no. So limit x tends to pi by 2 minus. Correct? K cos x by pi minus 2x. What is cos 90? 0. By 2 into pi by 2, pi minus pi 0. 0 by 0 form. So what I have to do? L'Hospital rule. Limit x tends to pi by 2. K. Cos x if we differentiate minus sin x. By pi if we differentiate 0. Minus 2 attached with the x, so minus 2. Correct? Minus get cancelled. So limit x tends to pi by 2. What I have? K sin x by 2. What I need? X, isn't it? What is this? 1. Now k pi by 2 if you substitute. If you substitute k pi by 2, what will you get? X equal to pi by 2 if you substitute. K by 2 are you getting? K into pi by 4 you will get. Pi by 2 you are not getting, right? Yeah, k sin x to x is not there, right? X is not there. Minus 2 we know. Pi minus 2x. So 2. Yeah. Oh, I'm so sorry. I should not use this. It extends to pi by 2. It's not 0, right? It is not 0. Extends to pi by 2 directly substitute. K sin x by 2. What is sin 90? Sin 90? 1. So the answer is k by 2. Correct. Because k extends to pi by 2, directly substitute. Sin 91, k by 2. Right? Correct. So, LHL, RHL, both the values are LHL equal to RHL, both the values are k by 2. It should be equal to f of pi by 2. What is this? 3. Yes or no? F of pi by 2 is 3. So, k by 2 equal to 3 implies k equal to 6. Correct. Okay. limit the function is, no. Discuss the continuity of the function. That's all given. Discuss the continuity of the function f of x equal to x square minus x minus 6 by x square minus 2x minus 3 when x not equal to 3, which is equal to 5 by 3 when x is equal to 3. This is the question. When x is not equal to 3 means what? LHL, RHL, the same function. X is equal to 3 means f of 5. That is f of 3 equal to 5 by 3. Make a note. Important step. You have to write f of 3 equal to 5 by 3. Now I need to check for LHL. Isn't it? LHL. What is my LHL? Limit x tends to 3 minus f of x equal to limit x tends to 3. Now if you do directly 3, 9, what you will get? What you will get, children? 9 minus 3 minus 6. So 0 by 0 form, correct? 9 minus 6 minus 3. So 0 by 0 form, correct? If you write. So differentiate numerator separately, denominator separately. This is just like indeterminate forms of limit. If you substitute 2x minus 1, if you substitute 2x minus 2. Now substitute x tends to 3. What will you get? 6 minus 1, 5. Here 6 minus 2, 4. 5 by 4. That is LHL equal to RHL equal to 5 by 4. Yes or no? What I am getting? LHL equal to RHL equal to 5 by 4. But f of 3 equal to 5 by 3. F of 3 equal to 5 by 3, which is not equal to f of 3. Correct? So LHL equal to RHL, but it is not equal to f of 3. Therefore, the function is discontinuous. The function is discontinuous at x equal to 3. Do you understand? Do you understand, children? Yes. Then one more kutti idea is there. One small idea is left over. That is removable discontinuity. Removable discontinuity. Another one is only one very small idea, very easy also. Removable discontinuity. Removable discontinuity. Can we remove discontinuity? Yes. You can remove discontinuity by remodifying the question. For example, just now I finished one sum. What is that? 5 by 4, 5 by 3, isn't it? The previous question, LHL equal to RHL equal to 5 by 4 we are getting. But f of 3 is what? 5 by 3. Therefore, the function is discontinuous at x equal to 3. Correct? Yes. Discontinuous at x equal to 3. Then how can we remove the discontinuity? This question, the previous question is not continuous, yes. But how can we remove the discontinuity? By modifying the question. By modifying the question. That means to remove, see, this is discontinuous at x equal to 3. To remove the discontinuity, this is the way you have to complete. I write again. To remove the discontinuity, the given question is modified as f of x equal to, do you understand? F of x equal to x square minus x minus 6 by x square minus 2x minus 3 when x not equal to 3. And then here you have to write 5 by 4. 5 by 4 when x is equal to 3. Then it is continuous. Correct, we know. But what actually given in the question, f of 3 is 5 by 3. So it is not continuous. If you write 5 by 4, then the question is continuous. So how can you remove? You have to re-modify the question alone. You have to re-modify the question. That's all. If you write this step, that's it. Yes, you have to rewrite the question by writing the correct value. We will do one more even further. Okay, we'll do one more. Definitely you'll get the idea. Yes, f of x equal to 2x, 2x square. 2x is x less than 2. This is x equal to 2. Then this is x greater than 2. Show that x equal to 2 is the point of removable discontinuity. Show that x equal to 2 is the point of removable discontinuity. Okay? Easily from the question itself you can write. What is LHL? Children, what is LHL? 4. Correct. What is RHL? Write all the steps. Okay? This question I am not writing. You write. What is RHL? 4. LHL equal to RHL. But what is f of 2? 2. So the function is not continuous. But if you re-modify the question, x equal to 2 is the point of removable discontinuity. Yes, if you remove instead of 2, if you write 4, then it is continuous. Correct? How will you remove the discontinuity? By rewriting the question as 4. That's all. Do you understand? If you rewrite the question instead of 2, 4, the function is continuous. You understand? That's all, children. So, removable discontinuity. Am I clear enough? Shall we do one more in this? Then I'll stop. Correct? We'll do one more. The function f of x equal to, 3x plus 4 tan x by x is continuous at x equal to 0. Then the question is the function continuous at x equal to 0? If not, if not, how may be the function redefined to make it continuous? Correct? Yes. We don't know which function for LHL, which function for RHL, but the question is continuous at x equal to 0. Yes? Okay. We'll start this question. Direct limit. Limit extends to 0. Maybe this may be LHL, this may be RHL also. So we don't know anything about. The question is not clear. If you want, you can see the question, example 33 in your textbook, page number chapter 726. I hope you will get the clear understanding. Is the function is continuous at x equal to 0? If not, how will you redefine the question? That's all. I may take x tends to 0, 3x plus 4 tan x by x. Divide single question no. So 3 plus 4 tan x by x. Limit x tends to 0. Limit x tends to 0 to be taken 3. Limit x tends to 0 to be taken for 4 tan x, isn't it? So you can split x tends to 0, 3 plus limit x tends to 0, 4 tan x by x. 4 tan x by x is what? 1. So 3 plus 4, 7. Correct? So you can take the limit separately, limit x tends to 0. So this will be 1. So 3 plus 4, 7. Correct? So we don't know whether the function is continuous or continuous means what you have to check? LHL, RHL, then f of a. So how will you re-modify the question? F of x equal to x not equal to 0. 7 x equal to 0. If you re-modify like this, then the function is continuous. Correct? Do you understand? Yes. I think I finished both the videos. I finished more than 15 sums. Right? But actually what is the heading given in the chapter 7? Continuity and differentiability of function. Only continuity I finished. So I have to do differentiability. Okay? I already told you all differentiable functions are continuous. Okay? All continuous functions may or may not be differentiable. All differentiable functions are continuous. Okay? Okay. What is the meaning of differentiability? What is differentiability? What is the statement for differentiability? Is there any formula for differentiability? Okay, all this we will discuss in the next video. Okay children, we will discuss in the next video differentiability. Till then, complete continuity problems fully in your classwork notebook. Children, please write all of you, all the sums in your classwork notebook. Okay, stay safe. Bye bye.